Today's question is longest common subsequence. Given two string text1 and text2, return the length of their longest common subsequence. Basically, a common subsequence of two string is the sequence that is common of both string. So now we'll understand this problem with this given example. Let's move to the pen and paper. So this is our text1 and text2. As you can see, text 1 this is A B C D E and text 2 A C E. First rule of this, we check the length of text 1 and text 2. If the length is greater, then we make it as a column, and if it is lesser, then we make it as a row. This is our first rule. And after that, we check is the character match, the character row character match with column character, then we will increase our value. We will add this value with diagonal value. Okay, I will let you know in this in matrix explanation. And this is third. If it is not matched, then we will pick the maximum value of row -1 column and column -1 row. Okay, now it's not clear to you, so okay, I will explain you with this matrix form. I will solve this problem using dynamic programming. So this is our, so as you can see, I put the maximum length text as a column, and minimum text length as a in row. Okay, so AC, we put AC in row because this length is less than text1 length. As you can see, we take one extra row and one extra column, so we put 0 into it. So now we check A means row A is matched with column A. Yes, it is matched. So if it is matched, then we will add it with the diagonal value. Here diagonal value is 0. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So our value will be 1. Now we check A with B. As you can see, A is not matched with B. So if it is not matched, then we will pick the maximum value between the upper value and the left value. So here the maximum value is 1. We pick 1. We put 1. So now again check. This is 1. All of this is 1 because maximum is 1 here. So now we check for C. C is matched with A. No. Then again we will pick the maximum between 0 and 1. 1 is maximum. Then again we put C is matched with B. No. Then again we put the maximum value. Again C is matched with C. Yes, C is matched with C. Then we will pick the diagonal value. 1 plus 1 diagonal value. Okay, so 2. Again we check C is matched with D. No, we will pick the maximum of 2 and 1. 2 is maximum. So here also we check C is matched with E. No, so we pick the maximum here 2. Now we again check E with A matched. No, then we will again pick the maximum. Again we put maximum 1 and 1 maximum 1. Now 1 and 2 maximum is 2. Again 2 maximum is 2. Now we again check E is matched with E. Yes, E is matched with E. So 2 plus 1. If the value is matched, then we will add 1 with diagonal value. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. And if it is not matched, then we will pick the maximum value between upper value and left value. In formula, it is maximum between dp row column -1 and column row -1. Let's move to this coding part. So now we check text 1 is greater than, then we assign it in str1. str1 equals to text 1, str2 equals to text 2. And else str1 equals to text 2, str1 equals to text 2, and str2 equals to text 1. And we take dp str1 plus 1 and str2 plus 1, and initially we put 0 into it. Now we check all row value with all column value. Row in range len str2, and check every row value with all column value. Column in range len str1, and if row equals to str column, means if row is matched with column, then we will put a value, diagonal value plus 1. Diagonal value means row minus 1, column minus 1, that is diagonal value plus 1. And if it is not match, then we'll pick top value and left value. We update our row column max of row column minus 1 means top, row column minus 1 means left value, and row minus 1 column means top value. Now we simply return dp row column. That's our answer. Now I will run it. Yeah, running successful, and submit it. Yeah, got accepted. Before signing off, if you guys want to check more space optimized solution, you can go to my GitHub link. I updated one more space optimized solution. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any queries, you can comment below. I will help you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.